Hello. Welcome to Dropping Things Out of a Window. My name is Nikolai Peterson. We have with us here Brendan Larson. Today, we're going to be dropping stuff out of a window for you. Things such as watermelons, coconuts, grapefruits, and other assorted items. We decided that it would be very nice to do physics, though, and find out what the impulse would be when the object hits the ground. To do that, though, we had to find what the velocity of each object would be as it hit the ground. To do that, we set kinetic energy equal to potential energy, and got the equation V equals the square root of 2 times gravity times height. We found that height from where we are dropping things is 4.8768 meters, and gravity is 9.80665 meters per second squared. Using all these numbers, we found that the velocity is equal to 9.78 meters per second. So, then we had to find out what the masses of each object were. We weighed each object and found the masses of all of them, with them ranging from as small as 0.059 kilograms to 9.1 kilograms. So next we had to find the impulses of each of these. We know that impulse is equal to change in momentum, and we were able to find that impulse is equal to mass times the final velocity minus initial velocity. Since the final velocity is 0, since it's touching the ground, the impulse would be equal to negative 9.78 times mass. And using this, we were able to find all of the impulses. But now that we have the physics out of the way, it's time to drop stuff out of a window, and just see how much the impulse affects it.
First we've got 3 tomatoes. The first one weighs 0.142 kilograms. Second one, 0.128 kilograms. The third one, 0.145 kilograms. And from our measurements, we got the first tomato to have a negative 1.38876 Newton-second impulse. The second one, 1.25184 Newton-second impulse. Negative 1.4181 Newton-second impulse.
Tomato number 1. Tomato number 2. Tomato number 3.
Alright, now we have 2 peaches to drop. The first one is 0.096 kilograms, the second 0.091 kilograms. And that equates to an impulse of negative 0.93888 Newton seconds and negative 0.88998 Newton seconds.
Peach number 1. Peach number 2.
And now we have 3 little baby apples for you to drop as well. The first one weighs 0.102 kilograms. Second one also 0.102 kilograms, and the third 0.099 kilograms. And those impulses are negative 0.99756 Newton seconds, negative 0.99756 Newton seconds, and negative 0.96822 Newton seconds.
Apple number 1. Apple number 2. Apple number 3.
Now I've got a single orange to drop, which weighs approximately 0.19 kilograms, and the impulse should be negative 1.8582 Newton seconds.
Orange, the only one.
And now I've got 3 apricots to drop. The first is 0.073 kilograms, the second 0.065 kilograms, the third 0.059 kilograms. And the impulses for those are negative 0.71394 newton seconds, negative 0.6357 newton seconds, and negative 0.57702 newton seconds.
Apricot, number 1. Apricot, number 2. Apricot, the third.
We got one grapefruit to drop, and it weighs approximately 0.5 kilograms, and it should have an impulse of negative 4.89 newton seconds.
Grapefruit, the only grapefruit.
We now have 4 water balloons to drop, which weigh 0.29 kilograms, 0.25 kilograms, 0.24 kilograms, and 0.35 kilograms, and the impulse for them should be negative 2.8362 newton seconds, negative 2.445 newton seconds, and negative 2.3472 newton seconds, and negative 3.423 newton seconds.
Water balloon, number 1. Water balloon, number 2. Water balloon, number 3. And lastly, water balloon, number 4.
And I have a juicy coconut to drop. So here's some liquid inside, yummy. And it weighs 0.75 kilograms. And its impulse should be negative 7.335 newton seconds.
The coconut.
Yes! Here's our small watermelon. It weighs 2.25 kilograms, and its impulse is negative 22.005 newton seconds.
It is now time for the 2 watermelons. The first, the small watermelon.
Here's our large watermelon. It weighs 9.1 kilograms, and it should have an impulse of negative 88.998 newton seconds.
Now for the big finale, the large 9.1 kilogram watermelon.
The carnage.
What did we learn today? We learned you can drop many things out of a window, such as large watermelons. They have a lot of impulse. So, in conclusion, we'd like you to take back 2 things. Remember, kids, 1, air resistance is always negligible, and 2, coconut milk is disgusting. Thank you.